Hoffman voltameter. Hoffman voltameter is used in such a countries where electricity is cheap for the industrial preparation of hydrogen. When electricity is passed through a water in the presence of few drops of an acid or a base, water is put it in this apparatus from here. This is a positive platinum plate and this is the negative platinum electrode. Hydrogen gas is collected at cathode and oxygen is collected at anode. Why oxygen is collected at anode and why hydrogen is collected at cathode? Because hydrogen takes positive charge and oxygen takes negative charge. So the positive charge element goes to negative charge electrode and the negative charge element goes to anode electrode. That's why hydrogen is collected at cathode and oxygen is collected at anode. So hydrogen is collected at cathode separately. This is the industrial preparation of hydrogen by the electrolysis of water.